No one is not moved by the ice cream puffs, right? Listen to its sound. I made the persimmon cheese flavor and the brown sugar pearl cocoa flavor. The puff pastry that costs 10 yuan outside can be eaten at home without limit. The pastry part is to mix all the ingredients well, put them in oil paper or fresh keeping bags, roll them into thin slices with I use a 4 cm diameter cutter, which can be used to freeze a little more at a time, and use it as you like. Cut into the body. The puff part needs to wait until all the liquid boils. Add all flour at once, then stir well off the heat. Use a spatula to crush all the dry powder particles. The key to success, or this is when you need to return to the fire. Fry for about 2 minutes on low heat. If you are not using a non-stick pan, at this time, there should be a gelatin. It's okay to fry. Spread the dough slightly to reduce the temperature. Wait until it's no longer hot. Add egg. It is best to add egg liquid. How much can I add it? This splashes the puff paste. After the batter drips, it will be an inverted triangle of about 5 centimeters on the scraper. Want to make puffs of the same size? You can use the cut membrane just now to bring a flour. Define the size and position. If your puffs are cracking frequently before baking, remember to spray a thin layer of Finally, cover them with a small puff pastry. Its baking time depends on the size of the puff batter you squeeze out. If you follow the previous recipes and will get uniform size. Big puffs in each space. The recipe for cocoa puffs is wait until the puffs cool down and you can. Now is the season when persimmons are ripe.